In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make contact forms in Weebly. This process is simple and a great way to enhance your website by allowing visitors to easily get in touch with you. We'll go through every step, making sure you understand not just what to do, but why it's important. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Weebly site editor. This is where all the magic happens. If you're familiar with Weebly, you already know that it's a user-friendly platform designed to make web editing a breeze with its drag-and-drop interface. If you're logging in for the first time, you'll find yourself quickly getting the hang of things. The editor is essentially your workspace on Weebly. Think of it as your digital craftsman shop where you can build, customize, and perfect your site elements. Once you're in the site editor, the next move is to bring a contact form into your workspace. Look for the contact form widget, which is typically located in the elements section of your Weebly interface. Click on it, hold down your mouse, and simply drag it to the desired spot on your web page. This ease of moving elements around is what makes Weebly's editor so appealing to many users. You get to decide exactly where things fit best without needing any coding skills. Now that you have your contact form situated on the page, it's time to make it your own. Click on the form to activate the editing mode. Here, you'll see options to customize the form fields. Think about what information you need from your visitors. Typically, a name, email address, and a message box are staples for a contact form, but you can add more fields if necessary. Weebly allows you to add drop-downs, checkboxes, and even upload options if you require them. Personalizing these fields not only gives your form a professional look, but also ensures you gather the precise information you need from your site visitors. Once you're satisfied with how your contact form looks and functions, the final step is to hit the Save button. This is crucial because it stores all the changes you've made to your form. You don't want to lose any of your hard work. Saving is what locks in your customizations. So remember to save frequently, especially when you're making multiple changes or working on different parts of your website. And there you have it. Creating contact forms in Weebly is as easy as that. With just a few clicks and drags, you have added an essential feature to your website. This will undoubtedly facilitate better communication with your audience and possibly attract more engagement. Thanks for watching, and now you're equipped to add excellent functionality to your Weebly site with customized contact forms.